No,
Leaves coming. Of course, the low ones we couldn't get near.
Let me know if I'm going to hit any branches.
Branches
Right
are coming.
here, right here.
Branches are good. Ah! Oh! Ah! There's a spider on there!
Dear. Dear, stop it. Oh, take it easy. Now look what you made me do. Not funny, Jesse. You alright? Are you okay?
Those are good.
Stop your crying.
Why are you crying?
Katie, turn that thing off.
Why were you crying?
Oh, there was a spider.
Spiders
Now
are...
you guys ready? The spider's just hanging waiting for fish food.
Yeah. Oh.
Why did you do that?
Because you reached for it and brought it in the boot.
That was funny. Look out for Lisa again to get spiders